Hello, this is the first video of a long series of videos that will speak about the tricks and tips in order to achieve total secure communications. The first rule is not to use the cellular network. It means not to take a SIM card and get connected to the cellular network, and of course not to in any case not to use internet based on the cellular network. This is the first thing. So the rule is to use only internet. The internet should be a safe internet, not a public one, but one that you may have at home or at the office with a secure password in order to get into the router. And in addition, we always say that you need to use a VPN if possible. Now, another rule is that it's better to use for those kind of communications tablets or devices that are not connected, that does not have any SIM card. They're not connected to the cellular network and they work only on the internet. For example, this is an old iPod. We will speak about how to transform an old device like an iPod, that it's a kind of mini tablet, how to transform it in a secure communication device. This we will do in the next video. In any case, again, the rule is not to use at all any SIM card or cellular networks. Use safe internet, possibly use it with a VPN. Thank you.